Hi there. In this video, we will show you the most efficient method for creating translations using the Loco Translate plugin. This user-friendly file editor works directly within your WordPress admin panel, making it easy to manage translations for your online store. Stay connected with our community by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram channels, and visit our website for more tips and tricks on using the XStore theme. We will begin by installing the plugin. To do this, we will go to Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, find Loco Translate, and install the plugin. After activating the plugin, we will navigate to Loco Translate. Themes, click on the XStore theme. Press Add New Language. Choose a language and then select a location for the translation files. It can be custom or system. However, it is not recommended to choose the author location as it may result in losing translations after theme or plugin updates. Once we click on the Start Translation button, a translator window will open where we can find and translate strings from the theme. As an example, we will find Return to Previous Page and translate this text. The Loco Translate plugin shows the progress of translation, but it is not necessary to translate all strings, just the texts that are visible on the front end. If the translation is not visible on the front end, we should ensure that the language for which the translation was created matches the language chosen in Dashboard. Settings, click General, Site Language. Another reason for the translation problem might be that the text we are trying to translate for the theme comes from some plugin. Let's take the example of the string shopping cart. To translate it, we need to create a translation for the XStore Core plugin. We will go to Loco Translate, Plugins, find XStore Core, press Add New Language. Choose Language and Location, find Shopping Cart, and translate this text. Let's check the result on the front end. In this way, we have created a new translation for the theme and plugin. This method can also be useful when we need to simply change the text to any of our liking. After completing the changes, the Loco plugin can be deactivated, but the new texts will still be visible. When we need to revert the text, we will activate the Loco plugin and make the changes, or simply delete the translation files. When working with XStore, there is a method that allows you to automatically obtain a portion of the translation for the theme and core plugin without starting the translation process from scratch. This method is using our pre-created language files. All these files have been contributed by our users, so the amount of translated strings may vary. We will show you how to work with these files and significantly ease your translation task in the next video. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.